Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download Chase mobile app. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store depending on what device that you're in. Simply go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for Chase. There you go. Once you go ahead and search for it, as you can see, it should pop up. All you need to do is tap on it and click on the download button. And finally, once you've done that, it's going to download and install pretty quick, as you can see. It also depends on your internet. So as you can see, it's already downloaded. I'm simply going to go ahead and tap on open. And once you've done that, as you can see, I'm going to be on this page right over here. You can allow to use your location or not. So once you've done that, as you can see, you can sign in or sign up according to your need. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.